In this week's video, the Asian Queen and myself tackled 3 big projects around the yard. Springtime here in Florida, so we're trying to get everything prepared for a good yard and get everything done so we can enjoy the summer without having to do yard work. Stay tuned.
Hey guys, welcome back to our channel, Chasing My Asian Queen. I'm Terry, and the Queen is getting the tractor. But today's project, we're going to be edging the grass that has grown over our driveway over the last several years. This asphalt driveway, if you edge it all the time, it just eats up blades from the edger. So we've let it go a little too long, and we're getting in the process of, in the next month, replacing the driveway culvert. So we're trying to get all of our grass in place during the spring. And you can see the blue flags there. That's where the proposed new driveway is going to be versus there. So yeah, we're going to edge it, take the tractor, pull it off, and move the grass. And we'll see how this project goes.
In this clip, you can see the grass, the brown grass along the edges of the asphalt. And then in this clip, you can see the edges are straight, where we removed all the grass and made a straight edge. Here's where Anna is having to spray all the garbage grass with a herbicide to kill it and let it sit for 4 weeks before we can lay the new sod. Here's a drone video of the hedge that we have to remove.
Pulling all these shrubs out. There's the grass that we've killed. Gonna sod in a couple weeks, that area. Oh gosh, look out, here she comes.
Don't let this smile fool you. It was cold that day, and it was really hard to get her out there to do any work. And the same here. She does a little dance, but she's not a happy camper out in that cold weather. This is the final product after all the shrubs have been removed. Once we get the new driveway in, we'll replace all this with new sod. This is 1 week after the new sod has been laid. Same with the back area. This is 1 full week after the sod has been laid. Looks pretty good. We're real happy with it. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed it. It's just little projects that we have going around at our house for spring. Get everything done before the summer gets here so we can enjoy the boating time without having to worry about yard work. Thank you again for watching.